Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and we're just getting the word out right now for everything. Today we have an awesome episode of Bitcoin Decoded, episode 7. We're going to give away 250 Bitcoin Satoshis for the best comments. We're probably going to do it, I don't know, 5 or 6 times. So get the comments coming. Anything about crypto, let it be smart, funny, comical, smart, thoughtful, whatever the question is. If I like it, if it made me laugh or think, or, you know, just a cool set of words together in a row. And if I like them, I'll give you 250 Bitcoin Satoshis on Express Crypto. And, yeah, so let's get the questions going. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. It's up over 50,000 right now. We're going to be talking about request and how it blasted off. And I actually missed the boat on that one, which is, you know, here nor there. We're going to talk about how Ethereum has, you know, brought the market far up. And we're also going to talk about SHIBA INU and its, you know, sudden tiny pump, and if it's going to pump higher or not. We'll discuss that as well. I think we have an awesome episode for tonight. I need to get the thing published on Publish Aux. Actually, I'll have you guys look at this real quick. Hold on. And that way you can see what I'm doing as well. Hey, I didn't forget to make my face smaller this time. I actually like my head on this side of the screen because, it, you know, I'm not in the way of the chat, and you guys can see more of what's going on. So I think I'm going to leave my head right there. Let's go over to Publish Aux, and this is what I'm doing right now. I'm publishing my post of this episode right now. You can earn crypto over here, and you can you know, publish. If you're a creator, you can, like Cryptos R Us or The Moon. This is another platform that you can get paid for your posts in crypto. And I made like over $1 already in a couple days just posting my stuff, and I only get a couple hundred views. So imagine like Cryptos R Us. He gets 100,000 views. Well, that's going to be like 10, 20, 30, 40, maybe $100, I don't know. I've never seen that many views. So you could make a lot of money on this as a creator if you're a, you know, good creator. I'm making money on it, and I'm still a brand new creator, guys. So this is for everybody. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm publishing over there right now. Publish post. You have to agree that you haven't copywrote or anything else. Publish. But you're limited to 2 a day. So the cool thing is I do 2 videos a day, right? And I can upload both of those. What do I do is I put my description in there, what I normally put in the description, and then I add to, you know, a little bit extra because it is a blog, and I don't want it just to be like, oh, the post. And then I also put my, you know, my links in there too for all the other crypto stuff. I'm trying to help people learn about crypto, right? And a lot of the ways that they can make money in crypto are a lot in my description. So you guys might want to check those out too if you haven't already. But yeah, this is Bitcoin Decoded. We are having a good time today. Bitcoin is sitting at over $50,000 right now. Things are looking mighty nice for Bitcoin, and the future is coming. Don't you like this golden cross that I have drawn up here? And I actually kind of want to leave it there and see if we go to this exact point that I have referenced on here. So we're about right here and right here. So I think it is going to be a golden cross, and we're going to see some serious moves to the upside of Bitcoin after that. I think we might go to all-time highs, possibly after this golden cross, which is imminent in the next, you know, week or 2 weeks tops. We're sitting pretty right now at over 50,000. We're at 50,100. This was a level we never sat at for long. If you know, in the past, we would just wick up and touch it and then go right back down. That's what happened to us every time, and it started to get lower, and then we started a new, like I said, we reset, we trampolined under, right? We have so much pressure underneath that we rocket up. Exactly what I said was going to happen with that happened. Look, we trampoline bounced up hardcore. And yeah, did like 10 backflips on the way down. So, and now we're up here. We're still sitting pretty on Bitcoin. Let's zoom in a little bit on this so that we can see if there's any beautiful patterns in the making. We did break out of this ascending triangle right here. You see that? And that's what I was waiting for. That's how I knew we were going to break out to the upside of 50K, and now we've done it. And we've sat above it. We've closed above it now. And so now hopefully we can move up to our next resistance at about 54,000. It could be around, we could see some at 52,000. But I'm thinking it's more around 54,000 is where the resistance is at. We have had resistance at every little tiny level going, here. So I think it's time to move out of this area for a little while. It's time to go up and then possibly have a retest back down before moving, maybe to all-time highs. We might not even need to do that. We could just pump to all-time highs right now. We're only 62 still on the RSI. Let's go into the 4-hour and see if we see anything better. Okay, we definitely had this double bottom right here that went up, and it went up pretty nicely. Right now, I'm seeing almost like, I can't really tell. That looks like a bull flag because it's going to the point there. Let's see. Let's move this down there. Yeah, right there. And then see how it consolidated like that? Dude, this looks like a bull flag to me. It's like a pennant, and here's the pole. So it wouldn't even have to be like that. It would actually could be like that even. And then here's the pole. It's like a tiny bull flag. Because that definitely looks like a pennant to me. So you go bottom. This is not working correctly today. I don't know why when I press it, like weird stuff starts happening. I don't know if it's my computer lagging. I think it's my computer lag. Yeah, because look, it took a minute for that even to go. But yeah, so if we go from the bottom to the top, right? So that'll be a nice amount. And I bet you it takes us right to 54,000. Oh, it only took us to 52,000. Okay, so maybe that's a small little bull flag. Because it pennants, it comes to a point right here, and that's a pennant. And then it has the little tiny flag pole right there. Yeah, I would say that that's a possible bull flag. Because I was looking, is it an ascending triangle? No. Is it a descending triangle? No. It's kind of both. And when you get both, that to me is a bull flag, a pennant. It goes into this pennant pattern. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. That is a bull flag right there. A miniature bull flag. Let's see if we get some volume like we did right here. Look at all that volume on the pole. So if we start to get big volume right here and bloom, we're at least going to 52,000 at that point then. That's good news for Bitcoin. I didn't even know that. I didn't see that earlier today. Now, if you want to go out and zoom out a little bit on the 4-hour, there is actually, I just seen this right now, there is there's an ascending wedge right here. A bigger one. From right here to over here. And now if we break out of this, which is at the 50,000, obviously 50,500, that's exactly where our resistance is too, right? 50,500 right below it. So if we break that, then yeah. There's two good bullish things. There's a possible tiny bull flag right there, which will only bring us to 52,000, but that's still cool. And this could bring us up to about the same target as well, maybe a little bigger. because it actually would be probably this one probably would be the 54,000. So yeah, the bottom to the top of this, and if it breaks out right here, what is it? It says 53,000. So we have a 52,000 target if this bull flag, this tiny bull flag thing plays out, or an ascending triangle plays out right there. So that is looking pretty cool for Bitcoin. I think we have bullish patterns here. I'm not seeing any bearish signals on the charts right now. Let's see. I mean, I'm trying to look and see if there's anything. Here's some resistance right here, which is basically the same level we're facing now. We just got to break above that. These are the same levels, so I don't really see a head and shoulders pattern per se. The inverse head and shoulders that I saw, I think it didn't play out. It just didn't. Yeah, too much time went by, because it was originally from right here to this one, right? And then I brought it all the way over even to this one to say maybe it's that one, and it did. If you want to say that it's this one, it did break out. I mean, look, it broke out from the top of there, so technically I don't think that, no. I'm not going to say that that's the inverse head and shoulders playing out, because it would have went much higher than that. So I think that was just, invalidated. I was hoping it would, because that would have been a good call. I would have liked to have made that call and been right about it. So, yeah, things are looking pretty good, though, for Bitcoin. I'm happy with, the way things are going. Let's go into requests. I want to show you what happened. I made a foolish decision. I didn't think about it. I was just like, man, I thought request was going to go down is what I thought. And I'm like, man, I don't want to lose money because I don't know where this coin is going. I don't really know where it's going to go. And so I sold it 23 cents. And then what did it do the next day? It pumped all the way up to 36 cents after I sold. I would have made several $100s. Probably about $300-400 or something. I don't know the exact amount, but I would have made a lot of money off of that trade. It went all the way up today to, let's look. What did I miss out on? 36 cents it went up to today. And I was at 23. That's 13 cents. That's about half. So I would have had $750 instead of the 500 that I turned to AMP, which isn't down, which is fine. That's okay. I made a mistake. It happens. I'm not going to be too hard on myself for that. You never know what could happen. If I didn't sell, who knows if this would have still even happened. Not saying I would have caused it, but you never know. Cause and effect. Something else could have happened. Something else could have happened. And then we don't end up going to 36. Or it could have still happened. You never know. So I missed out on that. I hope you guys, if you were in it, I hope you were able to take your profits up here, because I was telling you about this. I was in it. You saw. I put it all in the AMP. I still have my graph, which is doing decent too. But I should have kept requests. I should have just, followed my gut and kept, that's why sometimes you got to get in and out at the right time. And I already was in the loss $40. So I took a $40 loss when I switched this over to AMP instead of a nice gain that I could have had here. So, what I basically haven't been doing in my strategy is, taking time and, really, researching, or not researching, but deciding exactly what I'm going to do. Normally I have an entry and an exit plan. And then, I pray for wisdom, and then I do, my trades and all that. And I didn't do any of my normal, I don't know if you'd call it a ritual, because it's not really a ritual, but my normal practices that I do before I trade or sell or anything, instead of just doing it on a whim. That's why when you see me, almost buying on stream, and I don't, it's because I don't like to do things just right on a whim. I like to be prepared, but sometimes it's good to take risk, not stupid risks. So, I mean, I'd rather miss out on a trade than lose big because I didn't do my research. So I'm not going to get mad about this because of that. What if I would have not got out of it and it went down to 10 cents, because that's where it's going to go. It's going to sit at 10 cents before it, spikes up again, or if it ever spikes up again. So that being said, I'm not too mad about that, and I hope you guys, made some money. It's still sitting up here at 28 cents now. So anything you bought down here, you're in the profit now up here. So congratulations to you guys. To everybody, I would have been congratulating myself. That's okay. I re-strategized, and I'm in on AMP now, basically, and the graph. Let's see what the AMP is doing. And and it isn't doing too good. So I really thought the AMP is going to go to all-time highs, and I'm just going to stick with that. I'm going to go with my gut on this one. I think it's going to go higher, and hopefully it will. I don't know what all this color stuff, it makes me think that it's bad with all the red coloring, you know what I mean? Like, oh man, AMP is just in the red. But I'm down about 90 bucks on my entire trade now because of that request thing, and with my original AMP investment, I'm down about 90 bucks. So unfortunately, I haven't made the best decisions. There's a lot of coins I could have bought that I didn't, that made profit, and the coins that I did bought, as you see, are going down. That's why I was getting mad about the AMP too. I'm like, every single one that I'm in is just going down, while all these other coins pump. And then I get out a request, and what does it do? It pumps right afterwards. It's like, man, dude, wow. That is some extremely bad luck. It's because I'm not doing my normal thing. And now that I am, we'll see if my luck has changed. It hasn't so far. But let's see about the graph. Let's see what Dirty Gertie's doing. Is it doing anything good? I bought it 92 cents. So yeah, it's doing okay. We're at 94 cents. It's up about 3%. So basically, I'm just broke even now. My $400 investment is probably sitting right around $400 right now. So that's the thing that sucks, because right when you get in at a loss. So I got in at 92. Well, it takes it almost all the way to 95 just to break even. Now I'm broke even. Now anything above here is profit. Well, is it going to keep going up, or is it going to go back down and, even take my my buy-in fee back? So it's just a waiting game. When the altcoin season comes, each coin seems to go through their cycle of blasting off at different times. And you can never guess when they're going to be. You can, look at the charts. You can do technical analysis of even the graph. I mean, if you want to get in here and study these charts, I don't think CoinGraph is going to be the best place to do that. Is there? There was a bug on my hat. A fruit fly or something. Freaking. I hope everybody's over here from Express Crypto. Let's look and see if we have any 250 Bitcoin Satoshi giveaways over here. So how's everybody doing tonight? Let's give away some crypto. Bitcoin gonna go up. Bitcoin gonna go up. Is that a oh, it is a question mark. I'm like, is that a question, or are you just saying Bitcoin's gonna go up? I think, yeah, Bitcoin is gonna go up. Of course, I do. I think we're gonna go to a new all-time high eventually. I don't know exactly when that's gonna be. I couldn't give you the exact date, time, and hour, minute, second, but soon. Well, within the next couple of months, I'm thinking, possibly before November, around November. Will Shiba Inu blast, or will it bang? Well, those are basically the same thing. Blast and bang. Both are projecting. I guess bang is kind of sideways. Blast is up. Bang is sideways, and boom is down. I don't know. It's all good. Don't worry about the caps. Just don't do it again. I don't want to have to kick you out. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, just don't do it. Publish Ox reminds me of Bubble WS. I've never heard of that one. I'm looking for more platforms to promote my content on. So that's why I was going to do Fruit Labs, but I saw that it was more for gamers instead of crypto, so I didn't go on Fruit Labs. 2 posts per day, huh? Yeah. You can write to them and ask them for more than 2 posts a day. That's what it told me. I've never done that before, but you can ask them for more. I almost wanted to do it, but because I could do a lot of my past videos on there and then get my past videos some light of day, but yeah, Potcoin's done. It's toast. So no more. And I'm going to be a little more lenient with some of the things, like, you know, if it's not a cuss word, I'm not going to get mad. Like, you can say altcoins will die. That's not a bad word. First to die was Potcoin. I'm going to allow that. Those kind of things. Just don't, you know, try to be derogatory. Yeah, but that's not bad. Before I was like, don't say kill or die or anything like that. It's like, well, that's getting too crazy with it there. Yeah, I can't believe Potcoin went down, though. That's neither here nor there, though. I didn't really like the message it was sending either. You know, we want to, if our kids are going to get into it, we don't want them to get into Potcoin. You know, oh, here's the legacy we left our children, Potcoin. Yeah, nothing against stoners. I used to be one, but yeah, you don't have to donate, man. I'm not going to turn down a donation, but um, I know how it is, man. If you can donate through Express Crypto, or you can donate through the Brave browser here, or you can donate through the Bitcoin wallet here. I'm actually giving away Bitcoin. I normally have sponsors, which, let's get our sponsors today. TrackFaucet.com is a partner of Express Crypto. Get over there today. No. And then Cryptos R Us is not our sponsor, but you know what? I'm gonna PewDiePie and Mr. Beast this thing. You know what that means? I'm gonna try to get Cryptos R Us to 1 million subscribers. That is my goal as a new YouTuber. Like Mr. Beast did for PewDiePie, we're gonna do it for Cryptos R Us. So everybody I see on the street, everybody I see anywhere, we are going to promote Cryptos R Us. And we're going to get him to 1 million subscribers, guys. So if you're not subscribed, go over to Cryptos R Us, subscribe to Cryptos R Us, and get him to 1 million subscribers. That is our new goal. We are going to straight Mr. Beast this thing. So let's put that in here. What is it called? Subscribe. Subscribe to Cryptos R Us. If anybody deserves 1 million subscribers, it is George, man, and Cryptos R Us. So let's do it. Let's help get him to 1 million. So I think I'm even going to make a t-shirt. Bitcoin Renegade supports Cryptos R Us to 1 million. I don't have a lot of followers yet, but as we grow and I get 200,000 subscribers, and then boom, Cryptos R Us. That's 200,000 more for him. So boom, 1 million subscriber competition. And if we get him to 1 million subscribers, I will give away $100 in crypto. So go over there and subscribe to George. I might even give more away than that. Maybe I'll give away $1,000 if he gets to 1 million. So let's go. Pin that message. Oh, and I am giving away some crypto to you guys. Leave a comment here. The best comment gets 250 satoshis. Right now, he sent me altcoins. I was going to give you some altcoins for your your stuff up there, but because you were telling me some stuff I didn't know. But thanks for the altcoins, bro. Did you give it to me on Express Crypto? Let's see. Do I have any on here? Ooh, $0. So yeah, it wasn't there. That's okay though. Let's see. Any questions? Sent you several altcoins. Enjoy. Okay. As an expert with rise and nosedive of Bitcoin this week, where do you see the market at the end of this month, September? Just like me, Bitcoin has a little bit of an attitude at times. Most of the time, it's really nice and it'll help you make money, but sometimes it goes through these attitude periods. Real quick, that kind of shake people. It's just to shake people out. Bitcoin does that. It's like a tree that sways back and forth, and every now and again, like someone just comes up and shakes the tree real good, and then it just starts doing its normal thing, and then someone comes up and shakes it again. And one of the times it makes it go down, and the other time it makes it go up. So it's just weird how Bitcoin's like that, because it always is like in a pattern, but then it seems like it just gets shook. So I think by the end of September, that's hard to say because I don't know exactly when it's going to pump. It's taking longer than I had thought, but just remember this, we still have September, October, November. Yeah, we still have 3 months basically until December. So we could see some sideways action for a while, or we might even peak a little bit early and maybe peak in October. But I don't think we're peaking in September right now. I don't think it's not yet. So by September, I say we're about 70,000 at the end of September if we pump. If we might not start pumping, we might still be at 54,000. You know, maybe 58,000 by the end of September. If we pump, I say we're at 70,000. If we don't, I say 54,000. Those are the if we really pump, yeah, 70,000. If not, 54. Those are my if you made me pick, I would say 54,000. Like if I absolutely had to, no choice, 54,000. Now, where do I want it to go? Now that's a different story. I want it to be at 70. I want to get this done, over with, and start it again. Like, I never want it to be completely done. It's like we're always in a hurry, and then we have to wait. It's like hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. Oh, cool. Yeah, go get people, man. That would help a lot. We're at 4 viewers. That's pretty good. I don't know if some of them are the ones you got, but thanks, guys. I appreciate all of you on here. This is actually a pretty good episode. As you see, I shaved. I put on the gear. We're all geared in. I almost want to show you my Nike shoes. I got some sick shoes, but I didn't wear them today. So, nah, Afro Man. I remember that song. La, da, da, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. I was gonna buy Rally. Send me the L and I will S him. You will send me the link and I will summon him. Is that what you mean? What? Oh, you're talking about Cryptos R Us. Oh, okay. I'm like, what are you talking about, bro? All out, yeah. Oh man, I can't wait to see CM Punk versus hometown of Seattle. Guess what? Darby Allin's from Seattle, and he's a skater just like me. I'm a skater, if you didn't know. Before I ever, got into drugs and kind of ruined my life, I was a skater. And then I changed my life, and now I'm just kind of too old to skateboard. I'm 37. I might try it again. I don't know. Last time I was on a scooter, I almost broke my arm, though. If some of you guys remember that, I had it on Twitter when my arm was all black and blue and bruised up and had like, what do you call those, like a lump on your arm? I can't even remember the name. Not atrophy. A goose egg, whatever you call those things. There's a medical term for it. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, I can't wait to see that, though. Darby Allin versus frickin' CM Punk. I can't believe CM Punk came back to wrestling. And they actually mentioned him on WWE. If you watched on Friday Night SmackDown, they didn't say CM Punk, but he was like, oh, I know Michael Cole did it on purpose for CM Punk. He said, oh, the best in the world. And that's CM Punk's catchphrase, is best in the world. So I know Michael Cole did that because of CM Punk. Because he hasn't said that forever. Trust me, I watch it every week. So twice a week. I do have some haters, but I guess everybody does. Even George on Cryptos R Us has haters. The nicest guy I've ever met or seen online, man. I've never met him, but the nicest guy you can just tell that, like, if you went up to George and were like, dude, your channel's awesome, you rock, he wouldn't be like, dude, get out of my face, bro, like, family time, or, like, he would just be nice. I could just tell he would be like a nice guy. If you went up to him, he'd be like, yeah, no problem. Like, cool. Yeah, you want to pick? He would be like, yeah, $20 per autograph, fool. You got to send me some Bitcoin for that picture. Like, I don't see him being that kind of a guy. So that's why I kind of like Cryptos R Us, and we got to get him to 1 million subscribers. He's got to overtake BitBoy Crypto, guys. I don't have anything against BitBoy Crypto, but Cryptos R Us should be the #1 crypto channel. And so that's what we're trying to do now. We are getting Cryptos R Us versus BitBoy Crypto to 1 million subscribers, guys. So if I see that you're subscribed to his channel, I will possibly give you guys rewards in the coming weeks, months. So make sure you're subscribed to Cryptos R Us. We're going to Mr. Beast this thing. And we're going to make sure he at least gets to 1 million. And at least goes head-to-head with BitBoy Crypto. I almost chose to do it for BitBoy and tried to get him to 10 million. But I don't think BitBoy Crypto... I don't know. I don't think he can get much bigger than he is now, but I think Cryptos R Us can. I think Cryptos R Us should be #1. So there's my spiel for the day. Go subscribe to Cryptos R Us. Bitcoin's doing amazing, guys. Here, I want to give away some crypto before we go back into something. Let's choose somebody who... What the heck just happened there? It tried to re-establish another page. Fighting games. CM Punch. It's clobbering time. Yeah, I like the way he comes out to the ring and just like he owns the place, man. That's how you do it for sure. I mean, that's how I do it. Even though I have only 4 people here right now, I'm acting like I got 10,000 people here right now. You know why? Because that's just how you do it. Okay, there we go. So, guys, do you have any ideas on how to get more people over here? I need some ideas, because I know I can do good videos on live stream, or not live stream, on uploads. I can do good shorts, which I'm going to do a short today, of course. Today is my first video of the day. I've been moving my schedule around and being a little later than normal because just the way my life has been lately. But I'm going to start doing shorts, which will, make my channel have more views. But I need ideas on what to do to get over there, to get over with the audience, I mean, and just to get more views, more, because 4 viewers, I mean, that's not bad, like, for right now, but we want to try to get this number up to like 50 concurrent viewers for every single show that we have. But I'm fine with this right now. We can continue here. I'm going to, even though he already gave me some altcoins, I'm going to give him 250 satoshis on Express Crypto right now. And good night, bro. Have a good night. Thanks for coming. And yeah. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Gift. 250 BTC. There you go, bro. Cool. And then I think I like his Hungry Coronavirus Hunter because he said he was going to get more people to jump on. I like that. That's a good way to get some Satoshi from me. Gift. All right. I'm still waiting to hear back from Express Crypto if they want to sponsor the channel. I know the more people that sponsor the channel, the bigger it's going to get. My Twitter account went from like 170 up to 440. We're doing a lot better. I'm basically following people and they're following me. And then I'm following more people, and the ones that don't follow me, I just get rid of. And I just keep doing that. So hopefully we'll get a lot of Twitter people. Once my content gets out there to the masses, I really think it's going to do better. It's going to have a lot of dislikes, but there's going to be more likes. I've never had more dislikes than likes on a video so far. So more people like me than not. Bitcoin just went back under 50,000 again. We've talked about just about everything in the video. We've talked about request. We've already talked about SHIBA INU. So what we need to do is just get more people over here for live chat. Now that they've seen I gave away Bitcoin over here, 250 BTC sat give away for best question or comment on live stream right now. You're welcome, XDR0. Thanks for liking and commenting. I appreciate every single one of you guys. It helps the channel so much. I want to go and look at Ethereum because this is the reason that the whole market did really good this week. And you know why? It's because Ethereum just now burnt more Ethereum than it produced in a day for the first time ever. And Ethereum is just looking beautifully. It almost reached its new all-time high again, closer than Bitcoin at least, only a couple $100 away. So Ethereum is doing magnificente, just beautifully, and things are looking amazing. Let's look at the Fear and Greed Index. It was 72 yesterday. Let's look what it is now. Okay, we're up 1. We're at 73. Nice. So we're almost been a full month in greedy or more. So we're starting to get out of our bear cycle altogether. So things are looking pretty good for us on that aspect. Now on CoinDesk, there was something that I wanted to show you here. What was it? Bitcoin hits a 3.5 month high over 50K after 50K as Ether tops 4K. So everything is looking good in the market. Bitcoin went up to 50,000, 51,000 almost. You know, things are just looking amazing. So with all the NFT activity and all the gas fees and Ethereum burning a portion of its gas, which, you know, offsets the supply and demand, it went up to $4,025, less than $300, around $300 from an all-time high. So things are looking amazing with Ethereum and everything else, guys. It just sucks because by the time everybody gets to the stream, we've already looked at everything. But let's look at the graph again. Where is this sitting at? 93. Yeah, it started to go back down now, unfortunately. Or wait, is that 94? I can't tell. Sometimes I don't understand the coin market cap thing because it changes around. Is it going back to 93 or are we up to 94? Let's check. Okay, it looks like we are up at 94, so that's good. We're still sitting at a nice little level. Our 24-hour high is 97. That would have given me a nice little 5-cent, you know, boost. But, oh, back down to 93 again. Okay. Well, let's go back to AMP again. Or Yeah, let's go back to AMP. I'm just going to go with my first thoughts. Oh, that can't be AMP, can it? Is that the disgustingness that is AMP right now? Yeah. That's not a good price in my opinion right now, but it's going to do better. I really think if you go back a year, we went all the way up to 12 cents. So, and its low was less than a penny. See the 3 zeros instead of 1? Yeah. Whoa, that was less than a penny, because that's a penny. Yikes. Imagine buying it at that price. Ooh, that would have been nice. Ooh, you would have killed 2 zeros off of that. That would have been sick. Or no, only 1 zero. Well, no, you would have killed 2 zeros. Yeah, 2. Because that's a 5 now. See? Go with the first thing. I just don't know. We don't have a whole lot more to talk about. I was really hoping to have a nice conversation session with you guys tonight. We've only been on for about 41 minutes. I'm just going to take a couple more questions, and then we're going to call it a night. It's going to be a short little one. I think this episode's going to do pretty good in the playback, so I'm not going to go a lot into further and then kind of ruin the episode. So let's go over some more questions, and then that's it. We're done for the night. If you guys are not, go subscribe to Cryptos R Us. Go over there and get George. Let him know you support Cryptos R Us. I'm going to change that color to orange next time, too. Actually, maybe I can do it right now. Let's change it right now. Let's see. Select color. Oh, there we go. Orange. Yeah, okay. There it is. Cryptos R Us, yo. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. 1 million, baby. You got to do that. We only got 4 viewers on, guys. We need to get that level up. I don't know. I haven't seen an and. It would be nice if a lot of the inner council came on right now. We need Askio Owen. We need Vanish. We need all of our inner council to join, and then this number will join. I know most of them are able to jump on later, but hopefully a few of them at least can jump on right now. All right, guys, while you're on with me, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not, and comment. The best comment is going to get 250 Bitcoin Satoshis, and don't forget to go over there to Cryptos R Us and subscribe to his channel as well. If you do, I will give you 50 Bitcoin Satoshis over there on Express Crypto. I need to know that you subscribed for the first time over there, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. So actually, let's wait on that. That will be a prize, but not right now. Because I don't know how to do it. I'd have to think on how to do that. So, but we will figure out something for that and reward people for subscribing to his channel. We're going to get him to 1 million, guys. That's the thing. I'm going to campaign everywhere for Cryptos R Us to be at 1 million subscribers. So let's go. Let's get them done. I know you guys are going over there to subscribe to him right now. So, and we even turned it his color too, so that's pretty cool. I can't wait for All Out. Or is it All Out? Yeah, All Out. I like fighting games too sometimes. CM Punk's catchphrase, it's clobbering time. I like his go to sleep too, but yeah, it's clobbering time. That's classic CM Punk. Alright, have a good night, bro. No NFT playthroughs. I've been looking to play games like that. Nice Hash released a post about F ending with mining and picking up. Oh, yeah. Okay. So what he's saying, interesting news. Nice Hash released a post about F ending with mining and picking up POS, proof of stake, which we already know, right? Yes. So once ETH mining is gone, which mining proof of work coins do you think is going to take off? That is a good question. Now, I would say Dogecoin, but it doesn't have the fundamentals. Whew. That's a really good question, man. I'm probably going to have to think about that. Man. Right off the top of my head, okay. You stumped me on that one. I'm trying to think of all the proof of works that actually have a good, development team and a good project. Let's at least give me a little bit of help here, and let me look at some of the top 10. Can I look at the top 10 somehow? How do I look at the top 10? Oh, over here, I think cryptocurrencies ranking. Here we go. Yeah, if you let me look at them, now I can probably give you a better answer. Okay. I am going to say, oh, you won't like it if I say that. I'm not going to say that because a bunch of people would get mad at me if I said that. Okay, I think I'm going to pick XRP. That's what I think is going to be the next big one when Ethereum goes. Now, that could really bring it up even to higher than Binance Coin. So yeah, I say XRP. I believe it's proof of work. I could be wrong on that, but I'm like 95% sure that it's proof of work. So yeah, Cardano's proof of stake, so that definitely wouldn't be one. But yeah, XRP for sure. I think that one is going to be taken off. It's fundamentally sound. The only way that I'm actually going to buy more XRP, guys. I am going to dollar cost average into this. I'm going to buy a lot of it. And I'm going to wait for good prices to do it because it's going to go up. And when it beats, not if, when it beats the SEC, it's going to skyrocket because right now it's at a $58 billion market cap. Okay, Tether's at 5th with 66. Binance Coin is 83, but look, 90 million. So we can basically almost double. Not quite, but almost double that. So we can go up to 260 easy. Yeah. So I say XRP. That was a very good question. You almost had me stumped there. If I wouldn't have been able to look at this, I would have said Dogecoin because it was the only one that I could think of that was proof of work. I'm like, what other one is proof of work, man? I don't want to say one that's proof of stake. So yeah, XRP. For sure. Let's even go in and look at XRP because it's doing amazing in the last 7 days, up 8%. The last day is down 2%, but yeah, I'm going to have to reward him for that question because that was actually an amazing freaking question. Athos. And Athos gets 250 Bitcoin Satoshis for that awesome question. Okay. Not a valid username. Hold up. How are you going to tell me that ain't his username? Yeah. Okay. Maybe it's because it's a lowercase. There we go. It didn't want to let me give it to him. Ooh, look, it already went up a cent too. That was a very good question, bro. Thank you for asking that. XRP, that's my answer. And it is POW. I know it is. So yeah, I'm going to say POW. That's weird that it doesn't say that anywhere. Like, okay, back to the questions now. Dang it, why does it do that? It's very, very touchy. Where did it go now? There it is. Okay. Things are getting weird, man. Things are getting weird. Oh, right on. What's up, man? Crab apples, bodaciously bitter fruits. What's up, dude? I've never seen you on here before. I've seen you comment, but yeah, I'm glad to have you on live stream. That was smart. If you were doing that a year ago, you are making money, bro. For real. I would stump you. I know you got me pretty good, man. I couldn't tell you Dogecoin though, because that would have been foolish. You know, Dogecoin doesn't really have a big project; it just has a big community behind it. With hash rates, it's gonna get harder, but prices gonna go up. I agree. CPU mining? Yeah, I don't know a lot about XRP mining. That's the thing. I've never mined XRP. Well, I've never mined Bitcoin either, but if I was going to mine one, it would probably be Waves or that's actually another proof of work that's pretty good, but that's a Russian project, Waves. But it's a good one to mine. I've heard if you're going to mine crypto, one of the best ones that you could do is Waves for sure. So, yeah, I don't know. Webull, I like their crypto platform, but as far as the day trading on there, it is a little bit complicated. Robinhood, I won't use because of what happened with Dogecoin, and they basically wouldn't give people their money, so I don't use Robinhood anymore because of that. But I don't day trade on Webull. If you do, I would make a video about that because a lot of people might like day trading. I know that that's one of the biggest videos that I see on my computer on YouTube is that guy who day trades. You guys probably see him all the time too because he does paid advertisement. The guy with the beard, like red hair, he's like, I always make $220,000 day trading. And he promotes everywhere, so you guys probably see him. But yeah, he day trades a lot. Yeah, I don't like it when they play games with the way they fill stuff. But Webull is pretty spot on. They're good with that normally. Yeah, as long as you're not losing too much. I'm the kind of guy who likes to play around with stuff. As long as I don't lose too much money, I have fun with my crypto guys. So I definitely love doing that. I love finding projects, even that they cost money, like Shiba Inu. It cost me a lot of money to buy into that, but I think if I just hold it for like the next year or two and just forget about it, I bet you Shiba Inu would lose at least 1 0, maybe 2 zeros. If I hold it long enough, you know, either the project's going to go to zero and just disappear over time, which I don't think is as a massive community, or it will just go so beyond my expectations. That's going to be my new strategy is I'm just going to buy coins and I'm not going to touch them. I'm not going to look at them every day because that's been my mistake lately is buying coins and then looking at them every single day and being like, oh, why hasn't it gone up yet? Why hasn't it gone up yet? Oh, no. And so we definitely have to change that. So I've seen a couple of your videos. Honestly, I don't know. You seem like a nice guy to me. You have a lot of opinions that are good and some that I don't understand. But I'm glad you have a platform that you're able to talk on, man. I'm glad, and I know you're a dad too, so you have my respect right there. As soon as I saw you were a dad, I'm like, man, this guy's cool. You know, so that's what you've had my respect ever since that video that I saw. That you take care of your kid, man. That's all you can ask. As any human being, you take care of your own. You're good in my book. So I wish you the best on your channel, brother. Whether it be Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, whatever you got to say, get it out, man. More power to you. Bless you, bro. I think that's about all we're going to talk about today. If you don't like Bitcoin, but you still want to come on to Express Crypto, I will gift you like 250 Bitcoin, bro, if you want to come on there. Yeah. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bam! And it was about an hour long, a little less.